We are based on 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, and the price was within this move exactly here, we mentioned still be looking for the buy. And at that time, we didn't have any trade set up and even need a correction. And this is where we get. That's why now we should be in this trade. And we had the even second opportunity. That's why we mentioned the way is moving is really corrective and we're looking for the sharp move. And this is what we get. Anyone get the trade either from this correction. This is where we have been looking for. And even here, now they start to manage. If they want to keep, if they take out the profit is good because right now we want to see whether this is a correction for continuation or not. Okay, in this case we move to daily chart. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see, we based on daily chart we get this sharp move. That's why when the price was within this move, we mentioned if because the way was moving was really corrective, we mentioned we're looking for the sharp move. Now the thing is this is what we get. Now the question is whether this is the we can get the correction for continuation or still this one can be a correction for one more drop. That's why we mentioned maybe this one can turn to a flat for one more drop. And even if we're looking for the drop, no, the possibility of the price to retest this low is very less. Mostly we can expect to get the correction similar to what we have here for running flat for continuation. Okay, anyway, we are not looking for the reversal. The only thing is we're looking for buy. And if he wants to buy with any trade we get, we should have the proper management. If he sees not moving or start to correct, this is where we should be aware of either the price to reverse or move for the bigger correction. Anyway, we move to forward chart. You want to see what we have based on forward chart. Based on forward chart, the only thing is we get the correction here. We want to see how deep this correction can be. By the way, anyone got the trade within this move, they have to start to manage because mostly every time we get the sharp move, the price can reverse or it tend to a deeper correction, similar to what we get here. That's why still we can get the possibility this one tend to a deeper correction, even similar to what we get here. That's why any trade within this, at least book some profit or move our stop loss to break even. And if I move to 1 hour chart, the only thing is, no, we can look at, we want to see whether we can look at this flat or not. Any drop with the breakout of the this low, if we get any reversal, this is what we're looking for. I mean, that's when we can look for buy, and with the breakout of the top, we start to manage. And even if the price reverse from here with the sharp move flag, also we can look for trade. Okay, but the best thing is if this one drop a bit more, tag this low, then from there we can get a better confirmation for reversal. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.